Namaskar. आज करो अस कत कैंचन तिमन वजहन यम सि शरारत छु खसान. There are hundreds of reasons. Yath मज वुनकनस तुलो अस चोर तिम मेन reasons तो identify करो असे कैस छु शरारत खसान. We are not talking about managing this anger right now. We are only understanding कि क्या वजह हेकन असित. I am not saying it is 100% sure, but they may be the reasons for us to get angry. तथ मज सारे खुद गोडनेथ यिवान frustration. Frustration छु reason येले काह काम छन सानि हिसाब गछान. Ashima frustration, we get frustrated if another person is not behaving the way we are expecting them to behave. Ya bchus ne heka panni marzi sit panin keh kaam karit which I really like or want to do. So frustration is one cause for us to get angry. Pachu doyim cause shu asan stress and overwhelming. Stress gav manzan as me yeten panza file ch me bront kain. And then I have to finish it in 1 hour. You think my behavior will be this calm, my composure as you think? Agar मैं विंकेनस आसन बे द फाइल कवर करने, I don't think so. So there will be triggers. तो अगर मैं वन मुतला ये पेन यूर कुन, I might just snap it कि वो क्यों पाने तुलियो. Like you have seen in घर में, अगर तो ऐसे वो पर्सियन नन, सुबह चुस्यून चानुन, चिकन चानुन, लेडी चु घर चु arrange करुन. She has to manage the kitchen. She has to find the cutleries. So the reaction changes. Agar time you sure wana mama medike khan khatra ya bakaitan thav ye plate, you have to see the reaction. Look at yourself the way you are reacting. तो इस दफा था मैं कुंजाई मैंने इस कलश पर था. What is that? It is the stress that is making you angry. Pachu treim asan you sani community manchu varia evident when you see the injustice. चाहे सो तोहसे छु गोमुत या बेस कैसे छु गोमुत, it definitely is a cause for us to get angry. Churim वजह छु when you are hurt and there is a fear. तो छु क्या चीज दिलस लग मित सन्यत गई मित मगर वहीं कित क्या करियो तो इतम express. We don't have the right way. अच्छे तिम नेरा शरारतस. So we are indirectly protecting our vulnerable parts. Kitkai? We must have seen so many times you wonder ki there is no reason to shout, but this person is still showing his anger. So kya chasa? Andar chasa tuta fear, tuta hurt jama gumut, but we don't know how to really bring it out. So these were broadly few reasons that may cause us to get angry. Aak request है कि since we all are so experienced in life, तो अगर पनिन यम experience करियो share कि तो है क्या reason पासान यम सित इंसानस चु शरारत खसान. Beyond incidents is separate, but you have to identify yosa stressful, yosa frustrating, yosa hurtful. Try to identify the emotion behind that anger. And that is why when I say be mindful, emotional intelligence, so tele yema yel to identify chu kara reasons god. Tele he kyute uchit ye myan sharartuk wajah kya chu. And in our coming videos, I hope to give you certain ways to manage anger. Till then, namaskar, and do share your experiences and opinions. Thank you.